Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. Till yesterday we are discussing about the rational number. What is rational number, ma? I am repeating the definition again. What is rational number? Rational number is nothing but a number which is in the form of p by q. Q should not equals to 0. A denominator should not equals to 0, ma. Then the number is called rational number. Till yesterday what we have discussed, ma? Till yesterday we are completing the sixth one, okay? Sixth one. Today we are going to start the seventh one. What is the seventh one question? Evaluate the 3.3 by what is the question, ma? 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus of minus 2 by 3 plus of minus 2 by 3. 3 after rearranging. What we have to do, ma? We have to find this number after rearranging. First we have to arrange this number, then we have to find this value, okay? Here is your answer, ma. What we have to do first, question is that first one, what we have to do in the solution, first we have to write given that whatever given in the question, just write here, just you have to write here. What is that? 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus of minus 2 by 5 plus of minus 2 by 3, okay? What is it? After rearranging, first we have to arrange this question because the 5 is there, 3 is there. This is a unlike fraction, okay? When we put this number minus 2 by 5, when we put this number, then 5 and 5 is equal. Now 5 is equal, like the fraction. Just what we have to do, this number is put this side and this number is put in this place, okay? How can I do this? How can I do this? Because the cumulative property, because cumulative property satisfies this condition. What is that condition? A plus b is equals to b plus a, means when we write a plus b, then b plus a, we get same answer, okay, ma'am? Suppose 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 2, we get 5 is equals to 5, ma'am, because when we write this way, when we write this way, we get the same answer, okay? We cannot change the interchange these two places. We can change the interplace these two values. We can get the answer, okay, ma? Nothing will happen. 3 by 5 is as it is, ma. 3 by 5 is as it is, plus is as it is. For these two value, we are applying this property. For this value, applying the 2 property. What is the? A is 7 by 3 plus B is minus 2 by 5, ma. Okay, according to this property, what we have to write first? We have to write first B value. What is the B value, ma? Minus 2 by 5 plus again A value. What is the A value? 7 by 3, okay? For these two values, we are applying the cumulative property, okay? Up to that over, ma. Plus is as it is, minus 2 by 3, okay? I am writing here. Come to the next point, ma. 3 by 5, okay? 3 by 5 is as it is. Plus into minus, what? Plus into minus is again minus. Plus into minus, it is a condition, ma. Plus into minus is minus. 2 by 5 is as it is. Plus is as it is. 7 by 3 is as it is. Again, plus into minus is minus 2 by 3, okay? First we have to find this 2 value and this 2 value, okay? For this 2 value, what is the LCM, ma? LCM is 5. When we get the 5 table in 5, 5 ones are 5, means what we get in middle? 1. 1 3s are 3, okay? 5 ones are 5. When we get 5, 5 ones are 5, means what we get middle 1? 1. 1 2s are 2, okay? Here also 3, LCM is 3, ma. When we get 3 ones are 3, means what is the get middle 1? We get 1. 1 sevens are 7, okay? Here also 3 ones are 3. What we get middle? 3. What we get? When we get 3 ones are 1 twos are 2, ma, okay? Here in numerator 3 minus 2 is 1. Plus is as it is, 7 minus 2 is 5, ma, okay? 5 minus 3, 1 minus 5. Again what we have to do, ma? Again we have to plus the rational number. First what we have to do? We have to do the LCM, okay? When we do the LCM, what we get? 15, ma, okay? 15. First what we have to do? Here is a no similar number, just we have to do the LCM. In 5's table, when we get 15, ma? 5 3s are 15. When we get 3s are, just we have to multiply the 3 with numerator. 1 3s are. Okay, can I follow my points? When we get 15 in 3's table, 3 5s are 15 ma. When we get 5s are 5, this middle one we have to multiply the with numerator, and this middle value we have to multiply the numerator. Means 5 5s are 25. Okay, completed ma. Again we have to multiply the numerator. 1 3s are 3, plus is as it is. 5 5s are 25. Okay, denominator is 15 as it is. 3 plus 25 is 3 plus 25 is 28 divided by 5. This is our answer ma. Okay, this is our 7th one answer. What is the 7th one answer ma? 28 divided by 15. Okay. Okay, we are completing the 7th one ma. We are completing 7th one question. What we have to do? Just we have to move towards the 8th one. What is the 8th one question ma? Subtract. What we have to do is in 8th one question, subtract. How can I subtract? 3 by 4 from 1 by 3 means 1 by 3. We have to remove the 3 by 4 from 1 by 3 means if we 5 from 7 means what we have to do? We have to remove the 5 from 7 means 7 minus 5. What we get? 2 more. Okay. From here also what we have to do? Minus 3 by 4. Okay. 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. What we have to do? From which 3 divided by 4 we have to remove from 1 by 3. Okay. Let's do it. What is the question? My 8th one question. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. First which one we have to write ma? From this one we have to remove na. Just we have to write the first this number 1 by 3 we have to write first, then 3 by 4. Okay. Which one we have to remove? 3 by 4 we have to remove from the 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3 we have to write first, then minus is we have to do the subtraction now. Here we are writing the minus 3 by 4 again. Okay. Here I am doing the LCM. It is a rational form now, but just we have to do the rational form now. We have to do LCM. 3 and 4. What is get? 3 and 4 is 12. Here I am doing the LCM. 3 4s are. When we get 12 from 3's table, 3 4s are. Okay. When we get 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 ma. When we get 3 4s are 12, what we have to do first? We have to multiply the 4 with numerator. What is the numerator? 1. Means 1 4s are. Can you follow my points ma? When we get 12, 3 4s are 12. Means when we get 4s are 4. Here is a 4. We have to multiply the 4 with numerator. Means 1 4s are. Minus is as it is ma. Just again we have to check when we get 12 in 4th table ma. Okay, 4th table means 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. What is the middle one ma? 3s are. Okay, when we get 3s are, this 3 is multiply the numerator. Okay, 3 is there. What we have to multiply? 3. Okay, 3 3s are. Here 1 4s are na ma. Here 3 3s are. Okay, completed. This step is completed ma. Denominator is as it is. Okay, what is the numerator? 1 4s are 4. Minus is as it is. 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. After subtracting 9 4s are, what is the symbol ma? Subtracted na. We have to do the minus. 5 minus 4 is 9 minus 4 is 5. In front of larger, which one is larger number ma? 9 is the in front of larger number. We have minus. That's why we are writing the minus. What is our answer? Minus 5 by 12. Okay. I am explained you first one na. Second one, third one is your homework ma. Just you have to subtract 2. Subtract minus 32 by 13 from 2 ma. Okay, from 2. In the question, what you have to do? You have to remove the 7 from minus 4 by 7. Okay, these two problems is your homework. Just try it. Come to the 9th one now. What is the 9th one question? What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2 ma? What is the question here ma? Here is a number. Okay, it is a number. In this number, what we have to add? We have to add the another number. What that number we have to find here माँ to get 3/5. ये एक नंबर है माँ, उसमें और क्या ऐड करें तो हमको -3/5 आता, वो नंबर हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. What we have to find? We have to find that number. When we add that number with 5/8, we get the -3/2. We have to find the another number which is when we add this number with -3/8, we get -3/2. Okay ma? Let's do it the answer. Here is your answer ma. What number should be added to -3/8 so as to get the -3/2? Okay, we have to find the another number. Okay, when we add this number with this number, we get the -3/2. Okay, let's the number to be as x. We have to find the one number now. That number we are taking as x now. Okay, that number we are taking as x. Okay, when the addition of two numbers, we get the -3/2. Here is the one number and another number is what is the another number? -5/8. -5/8. When we add two numbers, what we get? -3/2. What we get? -3/2. Okay, we have to add these two number. Okay, what we have to find ma? We have to find the x value. We have to find that number. Another number we have to find na. That means we have to find the x value. Okay, we have to find x value means take it as x as a subject. Okay, we have to remove another number to RHS side. Okay, x is as it is here ma. X is as it is. Is equal to is as it is. -3/2 is as it is. What we have to find? We have to find the x value. Just we have to take as a subject and remove the another numbers to another side. What is that? -5/8 nama. -5/8 goes to RHS side. It become -5/8 become +5/8. Okay, here x is there. What we have to do? We have to add the both numbers na, both numbers. Okay, directly we cannot add the both numbers. What we have to do? We have to do the LCM. Okay, LCM 2 and 8 is how can I do the LCM here ma? I am doing the LCM here. We have the two numbers now, 2 and 8. 2 and 8. When we cut the two table, here 2 is there, 8 is there. Both numbers are comes in two table now ma. I am taking 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Again we are taking 4 now. 4 is come in 2's table. 2 1 is as it is ma. 2 2's are 4. Okay, LCM is 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 2 2's are 4. 4 1's are 4. 4 2's are 8. Okay, what is the LCM of both numbers ma? 8. Denominator is 8. Okay, what we have to do? In 2's table, when we get 8, 2 की table में 8 कब आता बेटे? हाँ, in 2's table when we get 8, it means 2 4's are 8. 2 4's are 8. When we get 4's, okay, this 4 we have to multiply with numerator. We are dealing with these two numbers now, means this number we have to multiply this number not. We are multiply the 4 with 3. Okay, we are dealing with these two number. We are taking this two number means 2 4's are 8 nama. 2 4's are 8 means when we get 4's are 4 3's are. Okay, 4 3's are -3 is as it is into what we have to multiply 4's are means 4. 3 4's are. Okay, plus is as it is ma. Here 8 is there. In A's table when we get 8 ma means 8 1's are 8. When we get what we get middle 1's are means 1 is multiplied with numerator. What is the numerator? 5. 1 5's are. Okay, 1 5's are. Numerator is 5. What we have to multiply? 1's are. Okay, denominator is completed. Come to the next step. X is as it is equal to is as it is ma. Minus is as it is. 3 4's are 12. Plus is as it is. 5 1's are 5. Denominator is as it is. Okay ma. Here x is, I am writing next step. X is equals to what we have to do in numerator 12 minus 12 is plus is minus is there, plus is there. What we have to do? Either plus or minus? We have to do minus because minus into plus is minus into plus ma. Minus into plus is again minus. We have to do the minus of both numbers. We have to do the minus of both numbers. 12 minus 5 is 7 ma. Okay, 7. Which 7? Minus 7. Because among two numbers, which one is greater ma? 12 is greater. In front of 12 we have minus. Just why we are writing the minus in answer. Okay. What is the number we get? X is equals to minus 7 by 8. Okay. The number is minus 7 by 8. Today's class is completed better. Just you have to complete your notes till that. Okay. Send me in the group. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.